We have yet another picture-perfect August day, Tuesday. That's about to change though. Dew points are increasing today, making it a little bit muggy ahead of the first of two possible rain and storm chances. The humidity departs though in time for the state fair, plus I'm talking about the incredible mega rainfall, the latest mega rainfall in the Dallas, Texas area. Well, another beautiful day warrants the weather being done outside for a change. And while our weather has been gorgeous, there's yet another mega rainfall event to our south, this time in the Dallas, Texas area, setting some records there. Over 10 inches of rain in the Dallas area. White Creek in Dallas, Texas, that region saw 15.47 inches of rain. And of course, these things are becoming more prevalent due to climate change. Every degree of warming, that means that the air is able to hold 4 to 5% more water, and it's exponential. So we see more of these extreme rainfall events. That's certainly been happening in Minnesota, despite the drought that some of us are seeing. So here's some of that precip. This is the area we're looking at in particular around the Dallas area. You can see 10 inches plus of rain, a huge area. So mega rainfall is defined in terms of how much rain in a certain period of time, but also across geographical area. And that was certainly satisfied here over the last couple of days. And most of Texas is in a drought. In fact, 97% of Texas is actually in a drought right now, or at least the latest drought monitor before they saw these rainfalls. But of course, part of the problem with these mega rainfall events is they don't fall over wide enough of an area to completely eliminate the drought for a large area just in that particular location that gets it. But yeah, despite our drought, Texas has been much worse, and the dry spring in the southern plains helps to prime the atmosphere to create hotter conditions that then we experience in the summer, and we certainly saw that for at least 2/3 of our summer so far. So we're watching this wave come through from the northwest, but today, sunshine. We've got just a few clouds off to the west. One more beautiful day for most of eastern Minnesota, but that is going to be changing over the next 24 hours. Highs are going to be mostly mid-80s across much of the state. Twin Cities probably right in the mid-80s. A little cooler in northeastern Minnesota, maybe right around 80. Of course, always cooler right near the North Shore. But the dew points are going to be increasing today ahead of this first of two disturbances. So it's going to get a little sticky, especially in western Minnesota. But then that dew point drops back into the 50s here on Thursday in time for the start of the state fair. In case you're out there for day one, should be pretty comfortable. So that wave, as I mentioned, we showed this yesterday. It was further west in Canada, a vigorous little spin. You can definitely see it here on the satellite imagery. This is what we call a short wave, an area of vorticity. Whenever you have that tight spin counterclockwise aloft, that tells us that the air is rising. And so that, combined with some of the moisture sitting around the area, is going to create some shower and thunderstorm chances. Now today it's going to be mostly in northwestern Minnesota first. So here's 1 a.m. We're going to start to see showers and thunderstorms popping into the northern and northwestern part of the state. And then that will kind of fizzle out, maybe spread further south and east. Might have a few showers early in the morning tomorrow before the sun's up. This is ahead of the low-level jet, those winds aloft that push in some warmer, more humid air. But then as we head into the late afternoon, evening hours, that's when the chance of some storms will increase. We'll go back in time here. So here's noon, 1, 2, 3 o'clock, and then watch some of these showers and storms start to pop in north central Minnesota, and then they'll make their way south and east through the evening. Now these storms are going to be spotty. This is no guarantee of a soaking, but the chance is going to be there. The weekend chance looks to be more substantial. First though, we've got high pressure that's going to be sitting right over Minnesota and Wisconsin. So a sunny day Thursday into Friday, and then that will change. That moves to the east. This next more potent wave comes in from the northwest again. There's going to be more moisture to work with. This is going to be a deeper wave, so it's going to plow up more moisture ahead of it to our west on Saturday, but then especially Saturday night, Sunday, looks like we'll see widespread scattered showers and thunderstorms. So it is going to get hotter and more humid here across the area for the weekend a little bit, but that is going to yield potentially some heavier rainfall amounts, a more widespread soaking across Minnesota and western Wisconsin. But in between midday, we'll probably see some sun in those warmer temperatures, and then might be heating up a little bit early next week. We've talked about the models trying to push in some heat, so temperatures might be nudging up a bit here for those last couple days of August already early next week.